So guys, this is the pork chop with Goonie Mike. Pork chop. It's good actually.
Louder.
It's good.
A little bit louder now. Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Pero mas bet ko pa rin yung kanin, rice, and then balon-balunan, adobo. Tapusin ko lang itong unahin ko lang itong pork chop ni Mike. Kandi ka ito, masarap. The Macaroni Cheese by Michael Franklin. Tirahin ko na itong balon-balon na natin guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.